Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Hair's a little bit messy this morning. Bad hair day, but it is what it is. It's a Saturday. I don't care. The plan was to get the flares on the car, but I kind of realized that I should probably have my wheels and tires together and ready to go. That way we can test fitment and cut what we need to cut when we do the flares. But I don't have tires on the wheels yet, so we're going to be moving on to something else. We'll do the flares another day. But right here, finally found an agency power carbon wing that we're going to be throwing on this car. It's going to look a little bit funny because obviously there's no like mods to make it look anything where it needs to be for this wing. But we're going to get this thing on. I got the wing from a local guy in Washington. And both the flares and the wing were wrapped in Nardo gray. So we just got to pull the wrap off and then we can get on the car. I'm not going to put it on like permanent because we're still going to have to wrap it our color when we do the whole car. But I will get it on and we'll get to see how it looks today. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, pull all the wrap off, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, all the wrap is off. It's just the bare FRP composite stuff. And then the carbon blade is down there. So I think I did disassemble it, one to get the wrap off, but two, I think it's going to be easier to put it on this way. This piece here is going to replace this guy right here. So in order to take this off, show you guys, pop open the hatch. So you got a bolt here, a bolt here. This cover comes off and you got two more, I think it's nuts, and then essentially the wing is free, and then you got your wiring for your lights and your windshield sprayer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking those bolts off, figure out what we got to do with the wiring and the windshield sprayer, and then yeah, we can start getting this one on. So like I mentioned, under these covers there are two nuts in these holes here, and then the two bolts here, and the wing will come off, or I guess the spoiler. Well, turns out I didn't even have to take the light off. You just kind of unplug it in between the wing and the hatch, and then the windshield washer fluid, you just kind of take the hose off. That's really it, and then you can pull the whole thing out. So I did manage to drop a nut down in here somewhere, and when I took the magnet to try to get it out, the magnet also broke. So now I got a magnet and a nut down in that hole. So I gotta go get another magnet from the store and try to get them both out. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead, clean all this up, and then we can start getting this wired up. We got the wires ran for the light. Light's just kind of sitting on here. I got it screwed down, but not all the way, because we're gonna be taking it back off. But wires are through. I don't think I'm gonna run the windshield sprayer yet, so we'll just hook it up as is, and we'll go from there. Go ahead and put our bolts and nuts back in. Wings on, baby. And it changes the look of this car so much. I love it. What do you think?
Wow. She's thick. She is thick.
It's crazy, huh?
It's not even the same car.
I know.
Not even close. From going to a simple STI to half of a car more.
Right? So
Not the
crazy.
same.
I just can't wait till it all comes together. Alright, wings completely on. It looks sick. Fitment's pretty good. And yeah, it's gonna come together once we wrap the car and get the flares on and everything, the wheels. But right now, I know it looks a little bit funny, but it'll come together, I promise. So that's gonna wrap up this quick install video. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace.